Hey guys, welcome to another video on this channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to access chatgpt through the terminal command line and how to install it. So in this application I'll be using tgpt. It's pretty easy to install. All you have to do is copy this, open your terminal and just paste it in. Just give it a sec. Well, you have to make sure the curl is installed, otherwise it will not work. Curl is not installed by default on Ubuntu. Okay, now that it has successfully installed, all you have to do, well, you can type tgpt and then -h, and then it will give you all of the help information, so how to use it and what you can do with it. Like you can choose your provider like OpenAI and other ones. Yeah, so the way you use it is you just write tgpt, and then in speech marks you just write what you want to ask it. So like I'll just write hello, how are you, and then it should return a response. And as you can see, it responded. Yeah, that's how you use it, and you can pipe it through stuff and like send the output and just talk to it. You can do whatever you want. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it and this was a helpful tutorial. Goodbye.